Yeah, buddy. These headphones were sent to me to try out, and first of all, let's address how cute are these. Super cute. I know. Big priorities here. Big things that matter. I want to tell you about them because they're pretty great, and I think you're going to like them. Let's take a look. So as we dig into them, they are a great color. I mean, really nice color. I like the shape of them. They look like you-know-who's headphones. They fold, as you can see, so they can go flat, and then this can fold up, which is really nice. It also has, let's see, you have a button here, which acts as, that's what you can use to get Siri if you have an iPhone. So you press and hold it and it activates Siri. It's also what you use to turn on active noise cancellation. You of course have the volume up and the volume down button. Now those also act as buttons to change to next song or last song, which is kind of cool. Then of course you have the power button. On the bottom we have the charging port, and then we also have the headphone jack. So you can actually use these still while they're plugged in. I used them the other day to monitor while I was recording something. The ear cups themselves are labeled on the inside as to which ear, which I always like when they do that. I know that you in theory would be able to tell, but these always help. The ear cups are super nice, soft, like supple material. They're really comfortable going over my ears. Yes, my ears fit right inside there perfectly. The top has a little comfort band as well. Of course, it is adjustable on both sides. Worth noting, I don't know why, it's a little bit squeaky. I'm not sure if that will sort of work its way out as you use them. But honestly, once they're on, it's not even a thing I've noticed at all. So I want to show you how to get these paired with my phone. We are going to go into settings and then Bluetooth. Okay, and then I'm going to turn on the headphones, which I did. I just turned them on with the power button, of course. And then you wait for it to pop up. And it's like a Y01. It's the same thing as the model. Look at that. They're so smart. So then you hit Y01, boom, connected. As easy as that. So let's take a listen. I wish that you could hear with me, but you can't. But I want to see what it sounds like. And you can be sad that you don't get to hear it too. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, so I have the active noise cancellation on right now. Well, okay, so as it relates to the active noise cancellation, this is a weird thing to say, and maybe it's not going to make sense, but it feels like it cancels out like secondary noise, if that makes sense. So I could hear my snapping the same with both active noise cancellation on and off. But what I couldn't hear anymore was my heater going. And I could hear it, wait a minute. I could hear it when noise cancellation was off, but I could not hear it when I turned it on. So that actually makes me feel pretty good about the use case for it, because I think that would work really well for an airplane, because you have that like constant wind noise, airplane noise, I don't know what it's called, but that is like a secondary noise in my mind. I'm sure there's an actual word for it, I don't know what it is, but it did a good job of blocking that out. Not so much just the noise, like the regular noise of me snapping my fingers. But I have to say, for the price, you can't beat it. They're super comfortable, they work well, really easy to use, just having the 3 buttons with the well, I guess this is officially a button, but so 4 buttons. Just really easy to use. There's not a lot of things that need to be changed or done with it. So I would totally recommend it. If you're looking for some headphones, these are good ones.